Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and I got a little bit of vitamin C from my soul in the mail today. So actually it is my seasonal subscription from Beachy, and we are going to unbox that today. So the way this works is each time they're getting ready to send out a subscription, which is 4 times a year, you got spring, summer, winter, spring, summer, fall. They will show you different tiers. There's 6 different tiers, and you pick one from each tier. So you wind up with 6 different things. Now you have 2 ways that you could pay. If you just wanted one-time shipment, you could pay $99 a box, and that would be you pay that plus the shipping and handling and tax. Now, if you wanted to pay annually and just get all the boxes each season, it would be $84 a box, of course, plus shipping and handling and tax. And supposedly the retail value of these boxes, the things in there, would add up to at least $250. I'll be perfectly honest with you. Even though I like the stuff, I don't think it's worth $250. But $84 a box or even $99 a box? Possibly. That would make everything average out to be about $14 a piece. So that's not too bad, actually. So I remember Tier 1 had a ton of bags. And I looked through the backpacks and all this, but there was a bag there that was actually left over from last time that my sister got, and she really liked it. So I didn't really need another backpack. Well, I don't really need another bag, period. But I got the bag that my sister said she really liked. And it's this Aloha bag. It's like a little weekender. It's from Golden Sun, Vacay Ready. Golden Sun was born from the dream of the rising sun, palm trees in California, the tropical islands of Bali, and pink sand of the Bahamas. I've been to the Bahamas several times. I haven't seen any pink sand there. I guess maybe there's an island or so that has them. Have you ever seen any pink sand at the Bahamas? Let me know down in the comments section. That way I'll look for it next time I'm there. Anyway, let's take a little tour of this bag. So we have a little pocket. Maybe you can throw your keys, or I don't know. I don't know if I'd throw my keys in there. They may get dumped out or something. I'm kind of a klutz. We got a big old opening there. And then down here, we have an opening. Maybe you could put your shoes in there. Oh, and there's like a mesh opening here. Maybe you could put your dirty socks or dirty underwear in there. Keep them away from your other clothes and stuff. I know my sister, she goes to see my mom about once a month. And she said everything she needs fits in this bag for the weekend. So, and I'm actually getting ready to go on a trip Friday. And I'll be taking this for sure. So we have 2 little short handles. And we have a long handle. The only complaint I do have, it seems a little wimpy. I looked at the retail value of this, and it was quite high. And I mean, if you're going to put anything heavy in here, I don't know how long these handles are going to last. So that's my 2 cents worth. Now, one of the things that drew me to this company is that they had a lot of clothes. I have noticed the last several shipments, there are not that many clothes. This one, we had these pants. And we had this cover up, this shirt, which I got, and I'll show you here in just a little bit. And I believe that was it. I don't remember if there was anything else. I've seen that style of beach cover up before, and I've wondered if maybe I could use it as something to wear over maybe a dress or something, or maybe pants. I don't know. I don't think so. And you know, I've got a lot of beach cover-ups. I don't need any more of those. But I did get this t-shirt. I don't normally wear sleeveless. I mean, I'm old. I got the flabby arms going on and stuff. And when you get to my age, you don't want to show your arms off. Most of us, no matter how much weight how many weights we lift and stuff, we're not going to get that. I guess our muscles and our skin kind of break down a little bit. Case in point here. I like getting old, but I don't like the effects. Anyway, got this. And this will be a good little beach cover-up, I guess. Or maybe I can find some type of little shirt to wear underneath it, and it can cover my arms. Here's the back. It is 100% cotton. I got a size medium. So it says machine wash cold, and then it says to dry flat. So this will not be going in the dryer, and it will for sure be washed on the delicate cycle. And this is an exclusive Beachly product, I guess you could call it. All right, what's next? We've got some little cards. They're little note cards. It says Sunny Hello by Kristen Gallagher. You get 12 note cards, 3 of each design, 13 envelopes, and 12 stickers. 13 envelopes. Maybe that's in case you make a mistake. As if I would do that. Yeah. Anyway, there we go. Let's look at them. So they said 3 of each design. Here's one design. Thank you. Isn't that pretty? And then we have this next design. You can tell that this is more of a California beach company. I'm from Florida, and a lot of the things that they have in these boxes, I just want to laugh. I mean, we don't have mountains and all. And one thing I laugh about is some of the clothing. They're heavy sweaters and sweatshirts. You don't wear those in Florida. And I guess maybe in California it tends to get a little chilly. I'll have to say, I have been to California. It was back in 1977, the year I graduated from high school. And we went to the beach in LA, and it was cold. And this was in the summer. We're talking July. And we were up in San Francisco in August. It was cold. I froze. So I get why they do that. But you wouldn't wear that stuff in Florida. Now, that t-shirt, that would be something you would wear in Florida. Anyway, here is, oh, these are really pretty. The next design. I love those colors. And then we have this last design here. Hello. It's just a little fun palm trees. And then the envelopes. So here's the stickers. So I guess, are they all the same? Yeah, they're all the same. And then we have these pretty green envelopes. I love that color. And I love the shape of these, how they have them rounded off. I do not know what the retail, actually, I think I can tell you the retail value. Let's see, the cards. Note cards, retail for 20 bucks. That's kind of high. The t-shirt that I showed you, that retails for $44. Seriously? I don't think so. I'm sorry. I guess you can jack your stuff up as high as you want and then say you're getting a deal when they give you, you know, that's a $44 retail value, but we're going to let you have it for $30. No, I don't fall for that kind of stuff. And I know when I do put my stuff on in my Etsy shop. I don't do stuff like that. Okay, anyway, what do we have next? So the next thing we have here are these reusable lunch set. Now, last time, I actually got a couple of these. They were solid, I think pink and green, with pink and green. And I really, really liked them. And these will be really good for when I do my craft fairs and I need to bring my lunch. I've got a little Ziploc baggie here for my sandwich. It's easy to zip up. Same thing for my snacks. I could put grapes in here, or I'll go ahead and peel the orange and put it in there. Chips if I wanted to. And I don't think I saw, yeah, I did not see what the retail value of that is in this booklet, but I'm sure it's probably pretty high. All right, the next thing we have is this towel. Now, I looked at the retail value, $48. That's pretty high too. It is by, let's see, what's the company's name? I thought it had it in the bottom here. Yeah, here we go. Sea Folly of Australia. And I love the color of this. And I actually have another towel like this. This is called a waffle towel. The other one that I have is actually a Turkish towel. But they're very similar. And I have a feeling when I wash this, it's going to soften up a lot. I believe it's 100% cotton. It would be nice to wrap up in or use at the beach. And I definitely will be using this. And something else about these, I can actually pack this in my suitcase when I'm going on vacation. And it really doesn't take up that much room. Look at the fringe. All right, the next thing we have here is from the same company. And I think the retail value of this, I think it was $30. Yes, $30. It's a very lightweight, very thin. It's made out of the same fabric as the towel, but it's a bag. And I remember when I ordered this, I was thinking it was going to be a little bit heavier, but it's not. This I could use for different things. For instance, my doll's up there. I usually like to pick one of those to take whenever I go on my trips. And I believe I could get one of them to fit in there really nice, and then they can be protected. I could also take my towel. Let's see. Pretend we're packing up for a beach trip. So I'm going to roll my towel up and put it in here. And there's plenty of room for some sunscreen I can throw in there. Got to have that. And then I've got my sandwich and my snack. Put that in there. Yeah, and there's plenty of room. There's still a lot of room left in there. Doesn't look like a very big bag, but you don't need a whole lot. Come to the beach, I could throw my shoes in there, and we're good to go. Except I would need to bring my seashell bag that I use whenever I'm beach combing. I made those out of old Walmart bags. So that is my 6 things that I chose this time for the spring of 2025. It will be my last shipment, at least for a little bit. I'm trying to step back on spending a lot of money on things that I really don't need. And even though I've had fun with this, I really don't need anything else in here. But if you would like to try them out, I'll actually put all the information down in the description box below with a coupon code for you to try it out. And you know what? If you like to do stuff like this, I would recommend it. At least try one box. And then tell me what you think of it. Have you ever done any subscription boxes before? Let me know down in the comment section below if you have and what box it was. And thanks for joining me today. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative signing out for now. Bye-bye.